if you have a body full of toxins from overeating, drinking too much alcohol, maybe you have a hangover too, you will truly benefit from this super simple cleansing juice that will pretty much vacuum out your liver, rehydrate your body, get rid of the nausea, and soothe your entire gut, which happens to be around 8 to 9 meters long. And the surface area of the gut, it's over 30 square meters. Now that's a lot of ground to cover. Ideally, you should be drinking one of these juices before you go out partying and consuming alcohol, and then drink the same juice when you get home. Okay, so what do we need for this juice? First up, coconut water to restore hydration and give the body a heap of electrolytes. Alcohol severely dehydrates the body, causing us to urinate out more than we're drinking. So coconut water is a spectacular way to rehydrate every cell in the body, including the key electrolytes, magnesium, potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, and copper. It will also reduce inflammation, and really, if you're hungover and you've been eating really unhealthy food, you are going to have a heap of inflammation in the body. Next up is lemon. And lemon really does help us get rid of the toxins from the liver. And more importantly, it gets rid of the really acidic pH in the gut created by copious alcohol, making the digestive tract more alkaline with less inflammation. And then we have our kiwi fruit. Drinking alcohol makes your body lose a lot of potassium. So you can replace that potassium with the humble kiwi fruit. It is full of potassium. Now, next up is not my favorite thing to put in a juice, but it is a potent detoxifier for the liver, and it really speeds up the breakdown and processing of alcohol. It is the beetroot. Now, because I'm not a fan of the beetroot, I'm going to add an orange too. Where's my orange? Here we are. And the orange actually complements the beetroot. It sweetens up the juice, and we're also getting a heap of antioxidants too. And now, the most potent ingredient of all. This is the best thing we're putting into this juice, and that is turmeric. This is a super powerful anti-inflammatory. It is loaded with curcumin, which is the ingredient to detoxify a hard-working liver. Last but not least is my all-time favorite that I put in almost every juice, and that's ginger. This is the secret to getting rid of nausea, vomiting, and calming the entire digestive tract. Okay, so let's go ahead and get all of these ingredients together. Okay, so we'll start with the lemon. We're going to leave most of the rind on because this is where most of the goodness is. How much lemon you use is a bit of a trial and error. We'll just chop the ends off, take off a little bit of the rind, and just coarsely chop that up, and we'll pop that in. Next up is our kiwi. Again, leave most of the skin on. So I'm only going to chop off the top and the bottom. And yes, it is a bit on the furry side. But if you want to cure a hangover, this is where a lot of the goodness is. So I'm just going to chop off these ends. Coarsely chop it into fours and then add our kiwi. Next up is the beetroot. Now I'm going to cut up a piece of this beetroot. I'm not going to add all of it. So half of this would be about the size of a small lemon. This red pigment, it stains everything. So watch out if you've got a white cutting board or if you've got a white t-shirt. So let's chop up half of this piece of beetroot and add that into our juice. Next up is our orange. Now this is to sweeten the juice and of course add all of those great antioxidants. It is a great addition, especially like I was saying, if you don't like the taste of beetroot, this will mask it and give it the sweetness that it needs. So let's go ahead and peel the entire orange. And we'll add that into our juice. And now turmeric, the grand master to reduce inflammation. Now I've given this little guy a rinse in water. I'm going to leave the skin on and I'm adding about the size of my thumb. Okay, so let's go ahead and chop that up quite finely. And pop that into the juice. Next up is our ginger. Now again, we're going to leave the skin on, cut away any of the dried ends. I'm going to add in quite a big chunk of ginger and this will really cleanse my entire gut. So let's cut off those ends and slice it quite finely so you don't get any of the fibrous tissue in the juice. And finally, the coconut water, our liquid electrolyte. So I'm going to add about a cup of this to our juice mix and we will be ready to blend. It's the blending process that's essential in opening up all of the plant cells so that they can release the magic we need to get to work on our gut, our liver, and reduce the inflammation. So you can add some ice cubes, but if you drink it at room temperature like me, the enzymes in the juice will get to work so much quicker and you'll be feeling so much better, so much quicker. So here we go. Wow, that is an awesome color. So let's pour it into a nice large glass and it's time to give your body a gift and completely detox. Wow, you've got to be careful not to get this on your clothes. Nice tall glass. This is so loaded with detoxing stuff. Oh, I've made quite a lot here. Okay, so I'm going to drink it with a straw because this stuff stains everything, including your teeth. So you just want to get it into your body where it's needed. I will see you in the next video, which will be my own version of an all plant-based bulletproof coffee. Now, cheers. It's time to detox. It tastes really, really good. And you can already feel it as it goes down your throat. It's kind of a burn. It gives you that indication that things are already moving and happening. I hope you enjoy it too. If you want to put any comments down below or give it a like, that would be awesome. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Now we're going to start with the lemon and we're going to leave most of the rind on. Sorry, this is my cat and she's up on the bench and walking all over everything. Okay, that might be a cut and a retake. Portia, all right, can I put you over there, sweetie? Right, okay, go. No. Portia, your food's not up here, baby.